Artificial intelligence just got a serious power boost, and it's Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro. It is here and flexing some serious muscles in reasoning, coding, and even mind-blowing 3D simulations. But how does it stack up against the competition? Is it truly the next big leap in AI or just another shiny update? Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to UTC AI Studio, where AI is powered and creativity is fueled. As usual today, we are diving into something that's going to blow our mind. We are talking about Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, an AI that's smarter, faster, and just plain cooler than any other AI out there. So grab your coffee or your energy drink because we're about to witness some next-level AI magic. Let's go. Now, before Gemini 2.5 was known by this cool name, it was codenamed Nebula. But don't let that spacey name fool you. This model is all about performance. And I mean serious performance. It's not just better, it's the best right now, topping the El Marina leaderboard with over 40 points lead over Grok 3 and GPT 4.5. That's the biggest gap we've ever seen. You know, it's a big deal when betting markets go wild. Gemini's odds of winning the LMSIS chatbot arena shoot up from 12.6% to an eye-popping 94.3% overnight. Meanwhile, its competitor Grok 3, their odds took a nosedive, from 83.5% to just 4.2%. Ouch, that's got to hurt. But of course, the real secret sauce here is the flash thinking architecture. Back in December, Google introduced its first reasoning AI model, Gemini 2.0, with its so-called flash thinking capabilities. Marketed for its agentic abilities, it recently got an upgrade, allowing file uploads and handling larger prompts. But now with the launch of Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google seems to be quietly phasing out the thinking label altogether. According to Google's announcement on Gemini 2.5, reasoning capabilities will now be built directly into all future models. This marks a shift toward a more unified AI architecture, moving away from branding specific thinking features and making advanced reasoning a standard across the board. Here's where it gets fun. The context window, the amount of info the model can process at once, is now a whopping 1 million tokens. And guess what? It's about to hit 2 million near soon. For context, that's like reading War and Peace in one go. But that's not all. This model is multimodal, which means it can juggle text, images, audio, video, and even code at the same time. Developers rejoice, no longer need to switch between tools. Smooth, right? Now, I can already hear you thinking, but just how smart is this thing? Well, buckle up. Gemini 2.5 absolutely crushed some of the toughest reasoning tests out there in various categories: math, science, code editing, and more compared to GPT 4.5, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Grok 3, and DeepSeek R1. On humanities' last exam, it pulled off a jaw-dropping 18.8%, leaving OpenAI's O3 Mini behind at 14%. In the GPQA Diamond Science benchmark, Gemini stood tall at 84 points, with OpenAI trailing at 79.7%. When it came to AIME 2025 math, it barely edged OpenAI again, scoring 86.7%, just 0.2% ahead of O3 Mini at 86.5%. And for code editing, Gemini led the pack once more, scoring 68.6% in the Aider Polyglot test, with Claude 3.7 Sonnet coming in second at 64.9%. And Gemini's performance on SWE bench is 63.8%. Not impressive, but still top-notch. Looks like Gemini 2.5 isn't just smart, it's out here flexing on the competition. While some users reported initial attempt failures, many found success through prompt refinement or repetitive attempts. It's a common pattern among advanced AI models, including GPT 4.5 and Claude 3.7, which is true because AI is still not yet perfect. The model's impressive performance is credited to Google's custom-designed TPUs, not NVIDIA GPUs, allowing for efficient training and operation of large-scale AI models. This shift has major implications for NVIDIA. Google's success with TPU-powered Gemini suggests that big tech is increasingly willing and able to reduce reliance on NVIDIA's GPUs. Every TPU that Google deploys is one less GPU that NVIDIA sells. And given Google's extensive AI infrastructure, that's a significant shift. In fact, Google has been using TPUs for its AI workloads since 2015 and has stated that it does not depend on NVIDIA GPUs for the majority of its projects. Simultaneously with Gemini's release, OpenAI also announced significant updates to GPT 4.0, focusing on enhanced image generation capabilities. CEO Sam Altman expressed amazement at the output quality, noting implementation of careful boundaries while allowing creative expression. The update includes improved text rendering within images, multi-turn generation capabilities, and enhanced instruction following. The new features are being rolled out to ChatGPT Plus, Pro Team, and free users, with enterprise and education access coming soon. While Gemini 2.5 represents a significant advancement in AI capabilities, users have different experiences. Some noted occasional struggles with simpler tasks, as there was too many hits, and Sam Altman responded, "We are refusing some generations that should be allowed. We are fixing these issues." And Sam also showed how much he's excited by posted, "It's super fun seeing people love images in ChatGPT," but also mentioned that their GPUs are melting and they are going to temporarily introduce some rate limits while they work on making it more efficient, indicating room for continued improvement. The ongoing competition between major AI providers continues to drive rapid innovation, with each new release pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence capabilities and applications. Developers and enterprises can dive into experimenting with Gemini 2.5 Pro right now on Google AI Studio. If you're a Gemini Advanced user, you can easily select it from the model dropdown on both desktop and mobile. Plus, it'll be rolling out on Vertex AI for enterprise applications in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for even more exciting opportunities to explore. And that's a wrap for today, folks. But before you go, hit that like button if you think this AI is as mind-blowing as we do. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more AI goodness. See you next time, where we'll be back with more awesome tech insights. Stay powered, stay creative,